Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a very simple knitting stitch which can be used for scarves and which can be used for blankets. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then we're going to, this is our foundation chain, then we're going to make our base. So we're going to go right there and make single chains in each of this space. You can see this is how it's going to look like. I'm using a baby yarn because this knitting stitch is for kids, can be also be for elder people, but I prefer this yarn for babies. So this is how it's going to look like. You can see. So here we're going to tighten a bit of a yarn. I'm going to chain one from here. Then we're going to turn around and we're going to come right inside here in our first stitch. And we're going to over here. Sorry. We're going to yarn over, insert a hook, pull through, yarn over, then we go here inside here, pull through that way. See, in the next stitch, yarn over, go here in this in the basic, pull through that way, yarn over that stitch, yarn over again, come right inside here, so yarn over, then yarn over again, side here, yarn over, then yarn over again, you can see now it's going to look like this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to yarn over, stitch, then yarn over again. So we're going to go here underneath the space, pull through that way, yarn over, go here inside the space, yarn over, right there, pull through again, then chain one. You can see you're going to come right here, there, over here, but instead I'm going to make single stitches in this one. So right in this space in the center, you're not going to stitch inside this stitch here, but we're going to go right here in the center. There, then go to chain one, come on here. Now we are not going to work inside here, but we're going to work here on top of these stitches. So total we're going to make a row of 2, like so. Then we're going to chain 1 and 2 to come right here, yarn over, we're going to come here in this chain, pull through, yarn over to come here in this space here, pull through, then 2 loops, yarn over this chain here, yarn over in the same space underneath, pull through again, yarn over to go in the second stitch or the third one, like so, yarn over, bring underneath the space, like so, as you can see, like that, yarn over, then yarn over again in the space, pull through again. You can see how it looks like. This is how it's going to be. Then yarn over again, yarn over, go right there, yarn over, like so. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So we're going to chain one, then we're going to come here, right in this space here, to make single crochet in each of them. Then chain one again, turn over our work, and we're going to work in top of the stitches again, single chain, then we're going to chain to one, two, come right here. You can see that's how it's going to look like. Then you're going to yarn over, come right inside here, then going to come right in the first space, pull through, yarn over, second one, yarn over the space there in between, yarn over, see, yarn over again, yarn over, pull through like so, that way, go in below that stitch, so 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 you can see this is how it's going to look like. So I have my first project of this knitting stitch which I created myself, and so we're going to chain 11 as our base, then we're going to make again single stitches, then we're going to chain 2 over here, or chain 3, whatever you like. Then we are going to come to make a double crochet, but we're not going to insert our hook here. We'll yarn over again and insert our hook in the below of this in between stitch, and this is how it's going to look like. So it's the same one as this one, and I hope you like my video. Till then, next time in my next video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.